Firstly, wear the inner. Of course, in real life, you don't have to wear the neck cover inside like me. So I'm just wearing it to cover my neck for this tutorial. So this is the inner. Then you can just combine it with the matching scarves. This is one of my favorite shawl, especially during travel, because we don't have to iron it. So you can just kemaskan. Oh, the best part about wearing it, because it sticks on each other, so you don't have to wear any pin if you don't want to. So usually for this, I will pull a little bit just to cover my back. And I just go out like this. It's that easy. So this collection is really suitable for people who are wearing shawl for the first time, or you are first time hijabi. So you want to try to have a collection that is very comfortable and really easy to wear. If you want to know more about this information, so you can just click on the link down below.